This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, May 15th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have this big trough over the middle part of the country, an upper level feature over the western Great Lakes. This is going to keep the temperatures quite chilly, quite cloudy, and a little bit of precipitation around with a low pressure center moving through Lake Huron, moving up into Canada. A lot of the moisture is being shunted through the eastern upper Ohio Valley into the Carolinas, but we'll still see some backwash rain with highs in the 50s. Could still see some rain, especially in our far eastern counties on Friday, with some clearing in the western counties, especially in the far west with some mostly sunny skies. Highs in the 50s east to near 60 or low 60s west. Saturday, the GFS still shows some showery weather across the Great Lakes, may skim our northeastern counties early in the day, otherwise partly to mostly sunny, with highs in the lower to middle 60s across the state. Sunshine galore here on Sunday. It'll be the best day of the weekend. Highs back up into the upper mid-60s to lower to middle 70s across the state. We'll see an increase in clouds by late in the day and into Sunday night and Monday, with the next system moving in. Could bring us some showers and a few thunderstorms around, with highs mainly in the 70s, maybe some upper 70s in our southwestern counties. And then we move into Tuesday. The showery and thunderstorm weather continues. Better chances would be across our northern counties at this point, with readings still in the 70s, maybe approaching 80 in our far southwestern counties. And then we move into Wednesday. There's still a frontal boundary close by, could spark an isolated shower or storm. The chances would be about 20% at that. Some sunshine intermixed as well. Highs will be a bit warmer, 70s to lower 80s across the state. And you're going to see why. This big 588 ridge over the south and into the Gulf of Mexico, a trough over the west. And with this ridge in place over the south, it's going to keep any system from driving south. So we're going to have a frontal system that's going to kind of stall right across us, so we could see some showers and thunderstorms here by next Thursday, and this could last for several days into the extended period. Thinking of the extended period, this is May the 26th, this is Memorial Day. We have that 588 ridge being shunted down into the Gulf and the Yucatan Peninsula. A little bit of a weakness over Colorado, mainly a zonal flow, but you can still see some showers and thunderstorms around. Nothing too organized at this point, so severe weather or any organized severe weather doesn't look likely if this is to be correct. And then as we go to the end of the forecast on May the 30th, well, now we have a bit of a ridge again over the south, but there's a bit of a weakness in the piney woods of East Texas at this point. Otherwise, the main storm track's to our north, but that doesn't mean a whole lot when the Gulf is open. The showers and thunderstorms once again, mainly across or to our east and southeast. Temperatures look to be near seasonal levels at this point, but that'll likely change in May. Satellite image from last evening, you can see that plume of moisture from the Florida Gulf Coast straight north into the Great Lakes, and some low and mid-level clouds hanging back across the state, and this will continue into today. This watch warning map from last evening, you can see where that plume of moisture is. That's where all the flood watches are, from the Florida Gulf Coast and the Big Bend area straight northward, whereas freeze and frost advisories across the northern plains. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing the best rainfall or the most rainfall will be in that big swath in the east, up to 2 to 4 inches of rain possible there. Around here, we may see up to 1/4 of an inch.